Part 2. The Four Tenets. Our story begins with the four tenets, four general agreements that form the basis of our shared experience. They are one religion of birth, one truth of reality, one teacher of self, and one people of earth. The one religion of birth and the one truth of reality are closely related. The one religion of birth means, first of all, that we are all born human. As such, all our experiences are bound by a common biology. If we then stretch this simple idea out across people and time, it means that all religious expression, all philosophy, all cultures and language are manifestations of the underlying reality perceived by the human body. The one truth of reality points to the fact that the functioning of the physical world we live in has not changed. No matter how different our experiences are, and their meaning to us, the underlying physical characteristics that brought them about is the one truth of reality. For instance, people have looked at the stars and experienced the sunshine on them for as long as Homo sapiens have existed. Yet the meaning we have attached to it changes dramatically. For one, it's just lights in the sky. For some, it's a connection to the divine reality beyond our comprehension. For another, it's a ball of burning matter that needs investigated until it gives up all of its mystery. What's really being said is if you step on a sharp stick, it hurts, no matter what time and place you live in. None of us can escape these limitations. So as we come across people, in their writings and the art they have produced, we can assume the things we see are there for a reason. And that reason has a connection to their experience with the same kind of physical existence we have. If religion is that which we are committed to or devoted to, then there is, in the last analysis, only one religion. The one religion of birth to which we all belong is our collective humanity. In the world we all have to navigate consists of one truth of reality. Put another way, people's biology has not changed for a very long time, and the physics of the universe seem pretty stable. This is the starting point for mutual understanding. The third tenet is one teacher of self. One teacher of self means that our experience is ours alone. Another person, no matter how close to us, can never have the exact perceived experience as our own. By nature, we have total personal responsibility for ourselves. What's specifically meant here is that when we are taught, no one can do the learning for us. Everything we experience must first go through the filter of our own personal body and mind. Teachers may make information available to us, but we must apply the attention to the objective of learning what they have to share. We are then the one teaching ourselves by the direction of our attention. Further, to understand our place in the world, it is helpful to have wise sages, teachers, to guide us on our journey. The wise primarily teach two things. First, a higher power than humanity exists and operates in the world. And second, as we love all others as ourselves, we ourselves understand the proper way to act. We are all connected. Every being to exist is connected to every other being. All sage teachers express these two truths. In our search for guidance, we should only follow teachers who practice the principles of humility to higher power and consider others as we do for ourselves. Lastly, one people of earth. As humanity, we all live on one earth. The earth is not ours. It is not something we can own or possess. We are only the temporary stewards and its current residents. As its residents, we have to manage our relationships with ourselves. As humanity grew into its current form, we created a world with hard borders, divisions, and reasons for conflict. All of this first started in our imagination. And it's to our imagination we must look if we are to create a better world. As it is said in the faith of the Baha'i, the earth is one country, and mankind its citizens. This is the true reality of the world and its people. These four tenets, one religion of birth, one truth of reality, one teacher of self, and one people of earth, form a basis from which to explore our world and delve deeper into the mysteries of our being.